What kind of legs does this bull market have at this point?
I think very solid legs. I think actually it's not in spite of the weakish economy, it's because the weakish economy, or it's because the economy needs encouragement that the market's still going up. Look to the Fed. The Fed is probably the most important thing for the market.
But then how do you argue about against people that say the market is simply overvalued, we've run too far, and now with the Fed pulling back, for example, their support of buying bonds, the tapering back, now maybe things are more in jeopardy?
I tell them they're wrong because I honestly do believe that we haven't reached the kind of excesses that lead to market peaks. I mean, the market needs encouragement from the Fed. The economy needs encouragement from the Fed. The Fed isn't targeting the market, but the economy needs help. And as the Fed pushes money towards the economy, it tends to flow through the capital markets and make them go higher. Now, if the pipes burst the way they did 5 or 6 years ago, well, then there's problems. But they're in pretty good shape right now. If the market's overvalued, I think it's just up a lot. It's not highly valued. It's still less than 15.5 times earnings. And the average for the last 20 years is over 16 times. So it seems okay.
That said, how much of an impediment is this sort of lukewarm economic data that we keep getting?
You want it to be just right. You know, it's baby bears porridge all over again. You want the economy to be weak enough so it needs encouragement, but strong enough so it doesn't create disasters. And meanwhile, forward earnings expectations keep rising. You know, I know corporate profits are very high. They're near record levels, if not at record levels. But those prior records were set after periods of strong economic growth. I think that strong economic growth is still before us.